So in last video we were seeing the sum negative integer -7 plus -2. Okay, then -7 as it is, plus minus -2 is equal to minus means sign will come bigger number sign minus, and after solving this we should add both. 7 plus 2 9. Okay, we got the answer 9. Now we will go to negative. Okay, negative integers. First example we will take positive 8 minus positive 3. We have to find positive 8 minus plus opposite sign, then it will come minus 3. Sign of bigger number means positive and opposite sign means we should do minus. 8 minus 3 we will get 5, right? Now next question, what is given this? Write a number in each bracket to obtain the answer 3 in each operation. Means these are the operations, okay, and we should get answer 3. Means here is equal to 3, here also is equal to 3, all over 3. Then we'll see here how we can get 3. First we'll copy this. See here, come here. First one, -6 plus empty bracket is equal to nothing. We will take here x, okay, and nothing not. Here what they told 3, here 3 should come. So x as it is equal to 3. When this will go there, it will become plus 6. X is equal to 6. 7, 8, 9. Now we will see. We will put x is equal to 9 in equation. -6, here plus x means plus 9 is equal to 3. -6 plus 9 is equal to 3. What it will come? 3 is equal to 3. Means 3 is right. Okay, is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Since -6 plus x is equal to 3, all this belongs to 0, means it is right equation. This equation is right. Similarly we will find second one. 4 minus bracket is equal to 3. Here we will take x, minus x is equal to 3. When it will come here, positive will become negative, -4. Minus x is equal to -1. Both will be cancelled, then x is equal to 1. Then plus 4 minus positive 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, means 4 minus 1, it will come 3. Now next we will take here third one. 7 plus what? 7 plus bracket is equal to 3. Means here x is equal to 3. When it will go here, it will come -7. X is equal to how much it will come? 4 minus 4 means for your plus minus 4 is equal to 3. Did you understood? We will take similar examples. For you all I am taking similar examples, so please concentrate. I hope you would understood it. Answer should come 3. What number should be taken when answer will come 3? You all will get 3. To solving this, we will take your x. Then minus x is equal to 3, positive 5. Minus x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. X is equal to minus 8. Means minus 5 minus minus 8 is equal to 3. Now we are going to learn multiply integers. First one, minus 5 into minus 7. 7 5s are 35, and as I was told you all signs positive positive positive, positive negative negative, negative positive negative, negative negative positive. As this negative negative will get positive, here also sign will be positive. Second one, minus 9 into 6. So 9 6 I will get 54. Positive negative negative. Okay. And positive 9 into negative 4. 9 4s are will get 36, and positive negative will get negative. Now one more positive example we have to take. Both positive we should take. We'll take 4 into 1. 4 into 1 and positive positive both positive. If you all want now, you all can take examples for practice. Okay? Take for practice homework. Fifth one, I'll take it first. 1. We'll take example 8 into minus 7. Second one, minus 124 into minus 1. Third, we'll take minus 12 into minus 7. And fourth, minus 63 into minus 7. And fifth, minus 7 into 15. So do fast. Pause the video and you all solve it. I'll give you all answer. So see here, 8 into 7, 56, and sign will be negative, and here positive 124, this 84 positive. Okay, here also positive. 63 into 7, 4 4 1, and 7 into 15, you all will get 105, and it will be negative. Okay, all got it, how it came and how. Okay, now we are going to see practice set 9. First question is solve, and first one, minus 96 divided by 16. So write your minus separate. then leaving some space, write here 96 upon 16. Both are even number, so it will go in 2's table, right? 2 8s are 16. This cut. 2 4s are 8. Then 9 1 year carry. 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12, right? And this minus sign, minus 6. So you can write here minus 96 divided by 16 is equal to minus 6. Now we'll take second one. 98 divided by minus 28. 98 upon 28. Both are even numbers. 8 8. So 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 1 year. 2 9s are 18. Here is 14. This is even number and this is odd number. So it will go from another table. 2 za. Which 2s are 7 2s are 40. And 7 7s are 49. Here negative sign will come. So minus 7 by 2. Okay. Third one. What is third one? Minus 51 divided by 68 is equal to minus 51 upon 68. Both are odd. And it will go from 7th table. 17 4s are 17 3s are. Like this. 17 into 3. 17 into 4, both delete, then here get minus 3 by 4 because your sign is minus. Now fourth one, 38 divided by minus 57. 38 upon 57 and we will take minus here. Both are very different. This is even number and this is odd number. And it will go from 19th table. 19 3s are 19 2s are. So minus 2 by 3. Here fifth one. Minus 85 divided by 20. 85 upon 20. Here negative number. Your negative sign and 2 5s are 20 in 5's table. 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8 3 here. Then 17. Okay. Minus 17 by 4. Sixth one. We'll get 6 1 minus 1 50 divided by minus 25 is equal to minus sign here 150 upon 25. Here also minus minus cancel. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 50. 0 as it is. 5 1s are 5 6 are. So here positive 6. Now seventh one. Seventh one we have question 100 divided by 60. Both are positive. 100 upon 60. Cancel it. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 5 upon 3. Now here we'll get 8 1. 9 divided by 54 and negative 54. 9 minus 54. 9 ones are 9 6 are. So it will come minus 1 by 6. We also have ninth one. Ninth one, 78 upon 65. So both will go to 13th table. Both are positive. 13 5s are, 13 6s are. So we will get 6 upon 5. And your 10th one, we have 5 upon 315. 5 ones are, here 6 are 30, 1 here 3s are, 1 by 63. And here minus both cancel, we'll get positive. Okay, this is positive 1 upon 63. Write 3 division of integers. We should write 3 divisions of integers such that the fraction form of each will be 24 upon 5. Means after dividing that number, we should get 24 divided by 5. Okay, come on. Question 2. Question, and they are told 24 divided by 5. We can solve as 24 upon 5 is equal to 24 whole upon 5 into 1 into 1. After multiplying, it will become 24 upon 5. Okay, and both are positive in questions. This is first one. And now second one, 24 divided by 5 is equal to 24 multiplied by 5 multiplied by, we will multiply with 2, we will take 2. Okay, 24 into 2 multiplied, 24 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 48, 5 2s are 10. So after it, we will get fraction form. What it will get? This 2s are and this 24s are. So we will get 24 upon 5 only. Okay, and this is rough form. Third example, 24 upon 5 we should get 24 multiplied by minus 10 will take, and 5 into minus 10 is equal to minus 240 upon minus 50. See here, minus will get cancelled and 0 0 will get cancelled. Then 24 upon 5 we will get fraction form. Okay. Now next question, question number 3 is that write 3 division of integers such that the fraction form of each will be minus 5 divided by 7. This question is similar to question number 2. Okay, we'll write your question number 3, and first one we should take question minus 5 upon 7. We will multiply it by 1. 5 upon 7. And second example you will take minus 5 upon 7 is equal to, now we will multiply it by 3. Okay, 7 into 3 minus 5 10 15 minus 15, 7 3s are 7 14 21, and fraction form will get minus 5 upon 7. See, cancel, minus 5 upon 7 we will get. Minus 5 upon 7, sorry, is equal to, what we will take for multiplication? We will take 5. 5 5s are 25. Minus 25 upon 7 5s are 35. See here, easy way of we can see that fraction is right or wrong. 5 5 cancel, it will remain this 4. So we know that minus 5 upon 7 is fraction number. Okay, you got it?